हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। कैसे हो आप सब। आज हम 6th क्लास की बुक पढ़ने वाले हैं, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर। चलो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो ये हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 1, हाउ डैडी डिसाइडेड व्हाट ही वांटेड टू बी। तो ये लिखा हुआ है पहले प्री रीडिंग टास्क। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारे इधर, व्हाट इज योर फादर्स प्रोफेशन। तो आपके फादर क्या करते हैं, आपको यहाँ पर लिखना है। तो मैं इधर लिखूंगी माय फादर इज डॉक्टर। ओके, तो इधर सेकंड क्वेश्चन है। तो इधर लिखा हुआ है व्हाट प्रोफेशन वुड यू लाइक टू चूज। आप कौन सा प्रोफेशन, आप कौन सी जॉब जो है करना आपको अच्छी लगती है, वो आपने इधर बतानी है। तो माय प्रोफेशन इज डॉक्टर। तो अगला है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। तो इधर है व्हाट इज द रीजन फॉर योर चॉइस। अब आपका क्या रीजन है कि आपका जो चॉइस का क्या रीजन है ना। डॉक्टर, तो मैं इधर लिखना चाहूंगी डॉक्टर जो है मैं डॉक्टर बनके जो है देश की सेवा करूंगी और फ्री में इलाज करूंगी। ठीक है, तो आप इसको ना गूगल ट्रांसलेट से मतलब इसको देख लेना इंग्लिश में। तो इधर है रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टोरी एंड फाइंड आउट हाउ द नरेटर्स डैडी डिसाइडेड व्हाट ही वांटेड टू बी। वी विल स्टार्ट द चैप्टर नंबर 1। When daddy was little, he was often asked. जब जो है मेरे पिता जो है छोटे थे, तो वो हमेशा अपने से कहते थे कि What do you want to be when you grow up? वो कहते थे कि जब तुम क्या बनना चाहोगे जब तुम बड़े हो जाओगे। मैं हिंदी में नहीं बताऊंगी, मैं इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करूंगी तो अच्छा रहेगा ना। ठीक है गाइस, तो चलो बताती हूँ मैं। डैडी ऑलवेज हैड एन आंसर रेडी। डैडी always had an answer ready. Okay guys, but each time his answer was different. At first daddy wanted to be a night watchman. He liked to think that while the whole town was asleep, the night watchman was up. And he liked to think that he could make a noise when everyone was sleeping. He was quite certain he wanted to be a night watchman when he grew up. But then the ice cream man came along with his bright green cart. Why, he could push a cart. He could eat all the ice cream he wanted to. I'll eat a stick of ice cream for everyone I sell, Daddy thought, and I'll treat little children to free ice cream. Little Daddy's parents were very surprised when they heard that their son wanted to be an ice cream man. It was quite funny for them, but he thought it would be a very tasty way of being grown up. Then one day little Daddy saw a man at the railway station. The man kept playing with the cars and locomotives, but these were real cars and real locomotives. He had jump on to the platforms and crawl under the cars, playing a strange and wonderful game. Who's that man? Daddy asked. He's the shunter, he was told. Now little Daddy knew that what he wanted to be. Just think, we would shunt railways car. What in the world could be more interesting? Nothing, obviously. When Daddy said that he would be a shunter, someone asked him, "But what about the ice cream?" This was a problem. Daddy had decided to become a shunter, but he did not want to give up the bright green ice cream cart. At last, he found a way out. "I will be a shunter and an ice cream man." Everyone was very surprised, but like Daddy explained it all quite clearly. "That's not hard at all. I will sell ice cream in the morning. After selling it for a while, I will go to the station. There I will shunt some cars and go back to sell some more ice cream. Then I will go back to the station and shunt the cars again. And then I will sell some more ice cream. It won't be hard because I will park my cart near the station and I won't have far to go to the trains." Everyone laughed again. Then little Daddy got angry and said, "If you are going to laugh at me, I will be a night watchman besides. After all, laugh at me. I will be a night watchman besides. After all, there's nothing to do at night." It was all settled, but then Daddy wanted to be a pilot. Then he wanted to be an actor, but after Grandpa took him to a factory, he decided to be a turner. Besides, he wanted to be a sailor or at least a shepherd and spend his days walking about with the cows, cracking his whip loudly. Finally, he decided that he really wanted to be a dog. All that day he ran around on all fours barking at strangers. He even tried to battle an elderly lady when she wanted to pet his head. Little Daddy learned how to bark very well, but he could not learn how to scratch behind the ear with his foot. Too. He tried very hard. That if he went outside and sat next to Rover, he had learned more quickly. That's exactly what he did. Just then an officer came walking down the street. He stopped and looked at Daddy. He watched him for a while and then he asked, "What are you doing?" "I want to be a dog," little Daddy said. "Don't you want to remain human?" "I have been a human being for a long time," Daddy said. "What sort of a human being are you? If you can't even be a dog, is that what a human being is like?" "Well, what is he like?" Daddy asked. "You think about it yourself," the officer said and walked away. Hello guys, welcome to Okay guys, sorry. हमने चैप्टर कंप्लीट कर लिया है. अब हमें नेक्स्ट डे मैं आपको इसके जो है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवाऊंगी. तो अभी के लिए बाय गाइस. आपने जब मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को जल्दी से स्मैश कर दीजिए। ओके गाइस, और आपको मेरे ख्याल से ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल रही हो तो इसको सभी के साथ शेयर कीजिए जो DAV वाले स्कूल में पढ़ते हो। तो बाय गाइस।